What's up, guys? It's your boy Andre back here at the Harley-Davidson garage. Accessorizing your ride is part of the fun of owning a motorcycle. So if you're looking for some add-ons to customize your bike, then you're going to want to check out this Rider Essentials Package. The Rider Essentials Package includes the foundational accessories for select touring models, including a 4-point docking hardware kit, which allows you to attach various luggage and accessories to your ride. A docking hardware cover kit, so you can disguise your docking hardware as needed. A heel shifter, because shifting with your boot heel is always convenient. A set of mid-frame air deflectors that help redirect hot air away from the rider, which is always a nice feature when you're riding during those hot summer months. And finally, a Harley-Davidson Smart Security System fob for an extra level of security. These packages come in your choice of chrome or black. It fits the Road King, Street Glide, Road Glide, and more of Harley-Davidson's touring models from 2017 and newer that are equipped with Harley-Davidson's Smart Security System. Dealer installation is required, and the package may include additional components that were not mentioned in this video. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.